There are many mini fridge products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best mini fridges from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Yuhami Beverage Refrigerator. Rating 4.4. This beverage refrigerator provides beverage enthusiasts with more spacious storage for up to 180 standard size cans. The beverage cooler includes 3 pull-out shelves that can be adjusted at will to space each tier on 5 fixed slots. The under-counter refrigerator is equipped with a highly sensitive sensor that is adjustable from 37 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, and the temperature range will not exceed 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit, so the drinks are at their best whenever you serve them. The under-counter refrigerators are equipped with an energy-saving blue LED sensor light, which lights up when the door is opened, can be set to always light up. The digital touch panel has a built-in memory function, which will automatically restore the last set temperature when the beer cooler restarts after a power failure. The bottom of the drink refrigerator is also equipped with a hidden door lock, effectively preventing others from opening the door at will. Number 4. Single Door Mini Fridge. Rating 4.4. Our mini fridge consumes as low as 0.66 kilowatt-hours per day, which is energy-saving. In addition, the mini refrigerator design is more humane. It also comes with a drip tray to make it easier for you to collect condensation when defrosting ingredients. The top of the dorm fridge has reversible hinges, so you can change the opening direction at will according to the placement. This is a mini fridge for bedrooms, kitchens, dormitories, and offices with a compact form factor that takes up only 2.2 square feet. This small fridge runs at only 38°. It is a quiet work of art. The Frigibar Mini has a 7-position temperature control knob, which can precisely adjust the temperature. Model 3 is recommended for daily use. The bottom of the refrigerator is equipped with adjustable feet, which makes it easy to adjust the placement angle of the refrigerator on uneven ground. Number 3. HomeLabs Mini Fridge. Rating 4.5. Mini fridge for setting up a home bar or extra beverage storage for your office, dorm, apartment, or RV. Ideal for chilled drinks at any time. Freestanding mini fridge with 3.2 cubic foot capacity and a reinforced glass door, matte silver stainless steel frame, and white LED light for a sleek look. Holds 120 cans with 3 removable chrome wire shelves. Customize your drink organization for a premium home bar experience. Easy touch temperature control cools down to 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Features a digital display and memory function to restore preset temperature if unplugged. Chiller with energy-efficient technology and a whisper-quiet compressor for optimal performance. Number 2. Glass Door Mini Fridge. Rating 4.5. This is a 3.2 cupped capacity beverage refrigerator. It can hold up to 126 cans of beer. The mini fridge for the bedroom also comes with 4 removable shelves that can be inserted in 8 slots at will to meet the personalized needs of placing different sizes of drinks. This beverage fridge uses new air cooling technology. 360 degrees full-angle circulating air duct cooling will be more even. This small refrigerator uses a tempered glass door with Low-E film and a high-tightness door seal to achieve refrigeration and, at the same time, to ensure that the cold air does not spill out. The bottom of the small fridge is installed with height-adjustable feet to maintain balance on uneven floors, and the top shelf is designed with reversible hinges for easy door change operations. The mini fridge glass door is built in with a high-performance compressor, which will only consume 0.79 kilowatt-hours per day and produces 36 dB when running, which won't affect your sleep. Number 1. Antarctic Star Mini Fridge. Rating 4.6. The freezer compartment can be used for storing frozen foods or making ice cubes. The door offers a spot for your favorite canned beverages. There are fresh fruits you like to eat in the drawer and sweet ice cream in the freezer. The glass shelf and drawer separate the fruit and vegetables. It can separate your different types of food. A removable slide-out glass shelf provides more ways to organize your storage needs. By turning the thermostat knob, the range of the refrigerator temperature control is from position 1, the coldest, to position 3, the hottest. This fridge is designed with a sleek black exterior that adds a classy touch. It can match any of your furniture, better for the home, dorm rooms, small office spaces, workshops, and more. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.